Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to adjust the brightness of the always on display manually on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen, then open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just tap on agree and continue. From here, just tap on lock start. Then tap on the download icon. Then tap on the play icon to open Lockstar. From here, just tap on Lockstar and select Always on Display. Then tap on AOD Auto Brightness. And from here, just make sure you disable AOD Auto Brightness. And once you do that, you will find the slider to increase or decrease the brightness of your Always on Display. Now just increase or decrease the brightness of the Always on Display as you like. After that, just tap on Done. Now, as you can see, this is how you can adjust the brightness of the always on display manually on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.